Hey guys, and welcome to Daily Commitment, where we do just a little bit of exercise, but we exercise every day. Today is push-ups. We're going to start with the weighted push-ups, then we're going to see where we go with our cardio exercise. I want to get really good form on these weighted ones though. Thank you to Bookie Cuss and Guide on Cars, anybody part of the Let's Go crew. Let's do it, guys. Let's go. Do it every day. Right here under the shoulders, back a little bit. We're going to tighten legs, we're going to tighten butt, we're going to tighten chest, everything. Whoa. 1, 2, 3. Making sure I come down every time, right, which makes me relax a little bit. 4, then I have to kind of tighten up again. But that's the price of this weight vest, I think. Just it kind of squishes when it comes down. All right, we're back again for another set, guys. 1 minute. All right, guys, we're back. Let's get another good set. I'd like to get 5 here. Then I'd be up at 9, which is my max. But after I do this, whether I get 4 or 3 or 5 or whatever, I think I'm going to do some unweighted push-ups to finish burning it out. Because those will feel a lot better. You're like, boy, you're only doing a few push-ups. But, yeah, the unweighted push-ups are a lot easier. So we'll do a few of those to make sure we burn ourselves out on push-up day. Here we go, right here under the shoulders, but we won't do too much with the weighted, right? We won't hurt ourselves. Back a little bit. Right, now we're going to tighten legs. We're gonna tighten butt, tighten chest, everything. 1, 2, 3. Definitely burning out, guys. I think we are gonna get one more here to push 8, but that's not our max. Our max is 9, so that's not a new max, but that's fine. And just to make sure we really burn out our push-ups all the way here, these will be a lot easier. It's about 21 pounds. That's a huge deal when you're talking about a push-up. So let's see how these feel without the weight. I'm not necessarily going to do a million of them. I'm going to try to do it like a cardio thing because I will burn out my push-ups a little faster than the squats. But let's just see how these feel. Right here under the shoulders, back a little bit. We're going to tighten legs, tighten butt. See, everything's nice and tight. Tighten chest. 1. Yeah, I'm pretty burned out, guys. Do a couple of these, but I'm burned out. I'm burned out. I don't think I need to push that any harder to get any more muscle burn. As for cardio, I'm okay with skipping cardio today. Again, it keeps the video shorter, maybe be a little more popular. Guys, if you want to check out some of these videos, some will be longer, some will be shorter, but they'll always be there every day because a little bit every day really does add up to a lot. And you know what? Hit that subscribe button up there and then go down and hit the bell button, choose all. You get some goofy guy every day in your YouTube bell box going, hey, did you exercise? Because we do it every day. Let's go, guys. See y'all next time. Bye.